Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl, Nubian Princess. I wanted to come on here and do a quick product review. As you can see in front of me, I have a heavy duty metal dog crate. I bought it recently from Home Depot. I'm going to insert the information on the screen so that way you can see how much it was. And so I needed this large crate because I have two dogs. I have a small dog that I've had for almost 9 years. His name is Rico. And then I have a pit bull that I recently bought. I am a female who lives alone and I want a protection dog. And so I wanted to get this dog so that way if anybody tries to enter my home, they are going to be surprised by my dog. But in the meantime, my pit bull is a puppy, and so I needed to put him in a secure crate. All those other crates that you can buy at like Petco or Walmart, those crates, those wire crates, I saw reviews where a lot of dogs would chew on it. They would hurt themselves, and I did not want my dog to hurt himself. So I did my research looking for heavy duty crates, and I found this one. It was on Home Depot website, and so I had it mailed to me. So when it first got here in the mail, it was really heavy. So my mom was in the town at the time, so I had her help me carry it. And so once I got it in the house, I was able to open it up, unload it, and this is me putting it together. And so I made sure it was a crate that was easy to put together. In real time, this crate took me about 45 minutes. The only reason why it took me that long is because I kept walking away to do stuff. So, and also, I don't have the patience to put stuff together, but I figured it out and I was really proud of myself. So I wanted to upload or share this video to show you that even as a woman, you are capable of doing stuff on your own in your house. You don't have to have a man come over and help you. If you just invest the time needed to read the instructions, you can get it done. So as a single female, I have learned to do a lot of things on my own. I noticed that whenever I ask for help, a lot of guys will try to attach, sex behind it. And I am not trying to be giving out sex because of little odd jobs in the house. So I'm just going to do it myself. So anyways, I'm putting the crate together. It took me about 45 minutes in real time. And as you can see, this last part that I'm having problems with is the top part of the crate. I figured out that I had the I had the cover of it placed wrong. And so I fixed it. You see how it flushes and it's flat? Yeah. So I finally fixed it. So I was happy that I invested in this crate. This crate is only going to be used for my puppy while he's growing and getting potty trained. My Maltese that I have right now is not in a crate. He is free to roam around the house. He is free to do whatever he wants. He lays down wherever he wants, but he is house trained. He can hold it all day. He will not have an accident in the house, and he will wait until you come back to take him out. I think the longest I've ever kept him in the house when I went to go do something was 24 hours, and he was able to hold it the whole 24 hours. So my Maltese is really house trained and potty trained. So I just need to get my pit bull the same way. And once I do, he is going to be free to roam around and he's not going to be in a crate. But in the meantime, while he's in the crate, I wanted to give him enough room in the crate. So as you can see, I'm done. I went to go get the puppy. And that's the puppy. Unfortunately, guys, I'm sorry to say, I made this video when this puppy was alive. It's so sad. I came home one day and the puppy just died. I don't know what happened. I tried to get the vet to do an examination, but she said that He was dead for a while, so whatever caused the death may have already been absorbed into the body. So it was so sad. He was such a sweet dog. But I gave myself time before I went and got another dog. But I really wanted a pit bull. I don't know what it is, but pit bulls have been speaking to me lately. So I went and got another pit bull. So now I have a gray one that has really really pretty eyes. And so he is currently in the crate right now. But I just wanted you guys to see. You can open the top of the crates. You can pet the dog. You can put the food and water. You know, it's so convenient. If you notice, the first time I put him in, he was a bit nervous, but now he's happy. He's wagging his tail. And so you can tell he likes it. And unfortunately, may his soul rest in dog heaven. Look at my Maltese. You see him? Look at Rico. So may his soul rest in dog heaven. So the new dog that I have, the new pit bull, he is currently in there and he is enjoying it. So, ta-da!